Hi everyone, it's me, Emily Cole here. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So today, if you can't tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a store-bought slime. I actually have some activator right now in here. This is the Flight Noise Putty. If you guys are wondering why I have activator, y'all don't know, slime, putty, doesn't matter. Some putties do actually melt. I've had experience. But sometimes it's because of the shipping, sometimes because, of the weather. So, yeah, wouldn't blame the people who make it. But anyways, I have some pink store-bought slime. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And let's just get on to the video. Yo. Okay, guys, so I have my pink slime. It did come in this container, but I'm using it for the activator. So I have my little, bowl, I guess you could say, container. This is about like a 2 ounce, I believe. I would say. Yeah. It's super stretchy. And really, the only time I really touched it was when I got it out of the container. I think this kind of reminds me of clear slime. Let's take it out. It's super runny, guys. To be honest, look, guys. Yeah, it's super runny. But it kind of reminds me of clear slime, only like starting to clear up. I mean, you guys can see pretty well in that. So I'm basically going to be reviewing on this, so let's just do that. Okay, so first I'm going to do the pokes. I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to let you guys listen to it. Okay guys, so I don't know if you guys heard that. Probably not, but I rate that like a 4. I mean, it's store-bought slime. I don't think it's supposed to be super pokeable and stuff. Now I'm going to do with the stretch. I think it's going to be kind of hard only because of how runny it is. But maybe it's not going to be that bad. Oh, it's getting on me now. Okay, get off. Get off. Okay, guys, so I finally got it off me. Sorry if you guys can't see me. I was actually sitting on my knees, basically. And so I kind of got tired of standing. It was hurting my knees really badly. So I decided to stand up. You guys, this video is mostly about the slime, so I'm just going to show you the slime. Okay, now we're going to do the stretch. We can see if we can do this again. Let's see. Hang on, guys. Okay, well, that was a fail. Okay, sorry about that. So, I have my slime. I'm just going to try that one more time. I did add a little activator, because of how runny it was. Let's try this again. Okay, so, well, as you can tell, it's still pretty droopy. But, it's the best. Like, it's better than what it was. Okay, now I'm just gonna try the crackalackos. Let's try that again. Oh, I give the stretchiness, and so I give the whatchamacallit. I give the stretch and the Instagram swirl a 7 out of 10. I mean, this is store-bought slime. It might be a little high. I really don't care, but I think for my first time doing this, I've never played with a store-bought slime. I've always made it. So yeah. So I actually give this a 7 out of 10. I think it was actually really good. It was just really, really runny. So that's like the big part of the deal. So yeah. Let me try the crackalackles. Okay, so once again, I give that a 7 out of 10. And I think it was really, really good. It just wasn't like regular slime like you would make. Like, listen to this, guys. In my opinion, I think it was pretty good. Now, let's try the butter slime. Let's try it out. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, guys, so I think that successfully worked. I mean, look at that, guys. It is curling up now, but let me, get it up closer. It was actually really good. It was. Okay, let's try it again. I give that a 10 out of 10. That may be a little too high, but I give that a 10 out of 10. I really don't care what you guys think. So anyways, yeah. Now we're going to test out the bubbles. That's a pretty big bubble, guys. Look, that reminds me of clear slime. Doesn't it? It's not, I don't think I think they made it with clear and white glue. It's pretty awesome. Let's do that one last time. Okay. Oh my gosh. Did you guys just see that? Oh my gosh. No joke. That literally just went everywhere. Everywhere, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try that one last time. Not as big, but let's try that again. I mean, it's basically the same size. Oh my god, guys. Okay, guys, so I basically give that a 10 out of 10. That was a success. So, guys, I think store-bought slime is really worth it. I think it's super worth it. If you go to the dollar store in Toledo, in Ohio, where I live, you should get the pink Flarp Noise Putty. It's not that, obviously, that's the activator, but it's this. It came in it. No joke, guys. This is 100% honest. Seriously. This is awesome slime, guys. And guys, this actually smells amazing. Like, it smells really good. And if you guys don't think it's stretchy enough, just add a teeny weeny, like that tiny, like very tiny of lotion. I added just a very little bit of Beautiful Day lotion. I love this lotion. Yeah, that's the kind I used. And yeah, if you don't want to add any, don't. Just try to make sure that you add just a very tiny bit, because it can go like a really long way. Because like this was not as runny as like it is now. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, bye guys. Mwah. 3, 2, 1, and action.